Hey everyone, and welcome back. Google Drive is an incredibly powerful tool that most of us use for storing files. But are you really getting the most out of it? Beyond simple storage, Drive is packed with features that can supercharge your productivity, organization, and collaboration. Today, we're diving deep into Google Drive with over 20 tips and tricks that will transform you from a casual user to a Drive power user. Let's unlock its full potential. First things first, a well-organized drive is a happy drive. And a happy drive means a more productive you. This sounds basic, but it's a game changer. Decide on a clear, consistent way to name your files and folders. Include dates, YYYYMDD, project names, or relevant keywords. Create a logical folder structure. Start with broad categories and then create subfolders within them. Think of it like a digital filing cabinet. Did you know you can change folder colors? Right-click on a folder, select Organize, then Change Color. Use colors to visually distinguish projects, clients, or types of content at a glance. For items you access frequently, use the Star feature. Right-click and select Organize, then Add to Starred. These will then appear in the Starred section in the left sidebar for quick access. You can add descriptions to both files and folders. Right-click, select File Information, then Details, and scroll down to add your notes. This is great for adding context or summaries. Google is the king of search, and Drive's search capabilities are no exception. Don't just type a keyword. Click the search options icon, the sliders, on the right side of the search bar for advanced search. Filter by file type, documents, spreadsheets, PDFs, owner, date modified, location within Drive, and even words within the file. Refine your searches with commands like and, or, not, to. Email at example.com. Drive automatically uses optical character recognition, OCR, to make text within your images and scanned PDFs searchable. So if you can't remember a file name but remember a phrase from the document, Drive can often find it. Drive shines when it comes to working with others. When you share a file or folder, click Share, and carefully choose permissions. Viewer can only view, commenter can view and add comments, or editor can make changes. You can even set expiration dates for access on some plans. Work on Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides simultaneously with others. You'll see their cursors and changes as they happen. No more emailing multiple versions back and forth. Made a mistake or want to see previous changes? Go to File, greater than, Version History, greater than, See Version History. You can view, name, and restore previous versions of your files. Highlight text and click the comment icon, or Ctrl+Alt+M, to leave feedback. Use the @ symbol followed by someone's email address to tag them and assign the comment as an action item. They'll get a notification. If you're part of a team or organization using Google Workspace, shared drives are fantastic. Files in a shared drive belong to the team rather than an individual, making collaboration and file management much smoother, especially when team members change. Access your files anytime, anywhere. Install this app to access your Drive files directly from File Explorer on Windows or Finder on macOS. You can choose to stream files, save disk space, or mirror them for offline access. Set up offline access in Drive settings, usually via Chrome extension or within Drive for desktop settings. This allows you to view and edit your Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides even without an internet connection. Changes sync automatically when you're back online. The Google Drive mobile app, iOS and Android, is essential. Use the plus button and select Scan. It turns your phone into a portable document scanner, saving items as PDFs directly to your Drive. The text often becomes searchable thanks to OCR. view, share, and organize files from anywhere. Let's uncover some more powerful features. Press Shift plus, or Control plus, on Windows, CMD plus, on Mac, anywhere in Drive to see a list of keyboard shortcuts. They can save you a surprising amount of time. For example, Shift plus T for a new doc, Shift plus P for a new slide, Shift plus S for a new sheet. To share selected files, install this free extension for Chrome. When you find something online, an image, a document, or even an entire web page, right-click and save it directly to your drive. Upload Microsoft Office files, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Drive can open and edit them. You can also easily convert them to Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides format by going to File, greater than, Save as Google, Docs, Sheets, Slides. The reverse is true too. Create a shortcut, right-click the file, select Organize, then Add Shortcut, and choose the new location. It's just a pointer to the original file. Use Ctrl plus Shift plus V after copying a file to paste as a shortcut in Chrome. Select a file or folder, then click the View Details, encircled I icon in the top right. Switch to the Activity tab to see a timeline of who did what and when, edits, comments, shares. In Gmail, when composing an email, click the Drive icon to insert files. Choose to send a link to the file in Drive instead of an actual attachment. This saves email space, ensures everyone has the latest version, and allows you to control permissions. Click Storage in the left sidebar to see how much space you're using and which files are the largest. Regularly clean out old or unnecessary files. Remember, Google Photos and Gmail also count towards your storage. Many third-party apps offer Google Drive integration, allowing you to save files directly from those apps or access Drive files within them. Explore the Google Workspace Marketplace for add-ons. Phew, that was a lot, but hopefully, these tips will help you get so much more out of your Google Drive. Start by implementing just a few, and you'll quickly see a difference in your organization and productivity. What are your favorite Google Drive tips? Did I miss any hidden gems? Let me know in the comments below.